So I want to show you this door here that I fixed. It is a sliding door. It's fixed like this. It's running smoothly. And you can see here it was touching here and here as well. It was touching here. It was getting stuck. So now it's running smoothly. I want to show you how to fix it. It's very easy. All you have to do is lift the door a little bit, and then there is the adjuster here. I turn it to my right side. So this is it. Lift the door with your finger. You don't need anything. If this one is lower too, you lift it. Okay, it's very simple.